Hi, today we're going to learn how to make double shaded carnations. All the measurements are in centimeter. This is a stencil of a sepal. This is 4 centimeter high and 4.5 centimeter wide. The fringe is half a centimeter long. And cut one piece per flower. This is a sepal of stencil of a leaf. This is 7.5 centimeter long and the stem is 1 centimeter long. The width of the stem is half a centimeter and the width of the leaf is 1 centimeter. Cut as many as wanted. Material required are bleach, liquid bleach, a thick wire, thin wire, floral tape, green in color, green crepe paper and any floral colored crepe paper. Now measure out 2.5 inch on the sheet without opening it out. And then cut out the strip. Since this strip, the whole sheet of paper was around 30 inches, so I'd get a strip of 30 inch long. Put a little bit of bleach in a bowl, very little, and then take the strip, fold it, and dip it in the bleach for about a couple of seconds, and this is how it will look. Now open out the bleach and let it put it out to dry in the sun. Let the bleach travel up on the paper, and this is how it will look after it has been bleached. Now you just bundle them up, bundle the whole strip up, and take a bowl of water and dip the strip in it, the bleach side first. Just hold it for 1 second or so, shake off the extra. Now leave it to dry in the sun again, but this time keep it with the bleach side up. So it should be sort of resting against anything that you want to keep it with this side up, the bleach side up. This is how it will look after the water has dried. You can make out that the color has shaded quite a bit. Now just stretch the paper to as much as you can and then fold it in half and then half again. Then take a pair of scissors and make cuts on it, leaving about 1 centimeter at the bottom and 1.5 to 2 inches wide cuts like this. This is how it will look like after the strip has been cut. Now take a pair of scissors, the one which cuts designs. You can take any, you can take zigzag. I have taken the one which cuts a bit of scallops and design, and cut each strip slightly from the side and then go over on the top and then again on the side. So you get a curved leaf, a petal with design on it. Do the same for all the petals. So you curve like this and just go across and down like that. Now this is how the petals would look after being cut. Now just open it out and apply glue on the whole length on the base. And then take a thick wire for the stem. Then first just keep this wire and roll the paper a bit. Then make tiny pleats and just go around the wire. So keep making pleats and keep going around the stem. And this is how it look after you've collected all the strip. Now just take a long wire, thin wire, about 8 inches long, and then tie the base of the flower tightly and twist the wire. And this is how the flower would look. Now take the sepal piece, first stretch it, then apply glue on the whole piece, even on the points. And stick this with the points on the wire. Like this, and then twist the base so it becomes thin. Now take a leaf and give it a curl like this, and take the green tape, floral green tape, pull it out, stretch it, and then start winding it on the base, from the base of the flower. Then attach 2 leaves opposite each other. So you have one leaf, go round and attach the second leaf. And wind the tape over and leave a gap of about 1.5 inch to 2 inch, and then attach 2 leaves again. Attach 6 leaves on the stem like this. And this is how the flower would look after completing. A very pretty double shaded flower. I have also made single color carnations like this in the same way. You can add as many leaves as you want. And this is how they look.